Welcome to the Desai Academy of Class 10th, Chapter number 11, Electricity. In a previous video, we discussed that meaning of potential difference or electric potential difference, correct? So, an electric current flows due to the motion of charges. When charges are moved, when there is a potential difference is there, then only the electric charges will move and the motion of charges will constitute the electric current. We discussed it, right? So next, what is the definition of potential difference? Okay, so the exact definition of potential difference is so here we can discuss. We can define the electric potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor. Okay, we can define the potential difference between any 2 points. We can define the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor. This is the end, this is the another end. This line is indicates the what current carrying conductor. In this, what is the potential difference? We can easily calculate. How means work done to move charge from one point to the another point is termed as what potential difference. What is potential difference? Work done to move a unit charge from one point to the another point is termed as a potential difference. Here q is indicates what charge, right? Basically we are moving a charge from one place to the another place, so that require energy, so that energy is called as what or a potential difference. So some amount of energy is requiring to move charge from one place to the another place is called as what potential difference. Okay, what is the simple definition? Work done to move a charge from one point to the another point. For example, here q is there, correct? Q means charge. This charge we can to move from a point to the b point, means you will require some energy. That energy is called as what potential difference, that we defined as a q. The work done to move unit charge from one place to the another is called as a work done. Okay, so what is the formula here? V is equal to what? W by q. So q is what charge, w is what work done. We are doing work to move what charges from a to b, means one point to another point. This is called as what potential difference or electric potential difference. Remember that this is the definition. Formula is what is the formula of potential difference? W by q. So what is the formula? V is equal to W by q is the formula. Work done to move a charge from one point to the another is called as a electric potential difference. Okay, this is the formula. And so again important point, what is the SI unit of electric potential difference? Means we can write volt. Okay, what is the SI unit of electric potential difference? Volt, and it is denoted by which letter? V letter. Remember that SI unit of electric potential difference is what? Volt, and SI unit is volt is denoted by which letter? V letter. Remember that. What is the SI unit of potential difference? Volt. This is for 1 mark. In your exam they will ask what is the SI unit of electric potential difference, means we can write volt symbol, that is a V. So why it is given as volt only? Means the scientist, the Italian physicist Alessandro Volt, honoring him, we are giving the potential difference SI unit name as what? Volt. So right. So this is the SI unit of potential difference. SI, what is the unit of electric potential difference, or simply potential difference, means you can write volt, and it is denoted by which letter? V. Right? Remember that. This is the simple thing is there. Next, another important definition will comes here. What is 1 volt? Okay, what is 1 volt? So what is 1 volt? Means you can write a potential difference between 2 points. Okay, so this is a point and this is a B point, correct? The potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor. Here is what a current carrying conductor is there. This is a current carrying conductor. Conductor means what? It conduct the electricity. Like a conductor it may be copper wire, aluminum wire, silver wire. Okay, they will conduct the electricity. Whichever material that conduct the electricity, that is called as what? Electric conductor, right? So this is a okay. So this is an conductor. The potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor, potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb per point to each other. Okay, so this is a current carrying conductor between how many points? Okay, so this is a current carrying conductor. You have the correct, this is what a current carrying conductor. How many points they having? This is a one end is called as A point, another end is called as what? B point, correct? This is the current carrying conductor having 2 points, 1 point and second point. So when 1 joule of work is done, to move what? 1 coulomb of charge. So this is called as what? 1 volt. What is 1 volt? The potential difference between current carrying conductor, the potential difference between how many points? First point, second point. The potential difference between 2 points in what? In a current carrying conductor. So 1 joule of work is done to move what? 1 coulomb of charge. That is called as the 1 volt. What is 1 volt? The potential difference between 2 points in a what? Conductor. So 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb of charge. Meaning is what? 1 coulomb of charge is moving to one place to the another place. They require 1 joule of energy. That is a termed as what? 1 volt. Right? We can write here 1 volt is equal to 1 joule of work is done to move what? 1 coulomb of charge. This is the formula of what? 1 volt. What is 1 volt? The potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor. 1 joule of energy is required to move 1 coulomb of charge. That is called as what? 1 volt. Okay, remember that. So what is the formula? 1 volt is equal to 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb of charge. Means 1 joule of energy is required to 1 coulomb of charge. Then they will constitute how much voltage? 1 voltage. 1 joule of energy is required and to move 1 coulomb of charge means they will produce what? Only 1 volt. This is the formula of what? 1 volt. Right? So definition of 1 volt is from this point to this. Okay, this is definition of what? 1 volt, and this is the formula. Right? The potential difference is measured by means of instrument called as a voltmeter. Again, very important point. Potential difference is measured by which instrument? Called as a voltmeter. Remember that the SI unit of potential difference is a volt, and it is measured in which instrument? This is the what instrument called as a voltmeter. Which instruments users to measure the electric potential difference means you can write a voltmeter. What is the SI unit of potential difference means you can write a volt. Right? Again, the voltmeter always connected parallel in a circuit. Remember, this is also very important. So parallel, it should be always connected in parallel across the circuit. Remember that. Okay, what you have to remember here? First, potential difference. What is potential difference? Work done to move for coulomb of charge. So from one point to the another. This is what? Potential difference. The SI unit of potential difference is what? Volt. Right? It is denoted by V. This is the second question. Right? What is potential difference? Work done to move a unit charge. That is called as the potential difference. SI unit of potential difference is volt. It is denoted by V. What is 1 volt? 1 volt. This is the third question. 1 volt is equal to the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor. 1 joule of energy is required to move 1 coulomb of charge. This is the 1 volt definition. And which instrument uses the potential difference means that is the voltmeter. Okay, these are very important questions. Voltmeter, right? And it is connected in what? A series circuit or parallel circuit means you can write it is connected in parallel circuit. These are the important questions regarding potential difference. These four or five questions will they will ask about a voltmeter, sorry, potential difference, right? Next, on simple problem is given here. So how much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having potential difference 2 volt? Okay, this is the wire is there. So here A point is there, here B point is there. How many charge they are moving? 2 coulomb of charge is moving, and the potential difference is how much here between A and B is what 12 volt. They are asking how much they require energy, they require how much they will require energy, correct? So the conducting wire is there. So the how many charges are there? 2 coulomb of charge is there. So these charges are how to move from A point to the B point, and it will requires how much potential difference? 12 volt. Then how much energy requires? That is the question here, right? So already we know that what is the formula. V is equal to W by Q is the formula, right? Now we are knowing potential difference, we are knowing and we don't know W, but we know the what a charge. So we can shift this charge here, it will becomes V into Q. So now the formula becomes W is equal to V into Q, because the potential difference is given as 12 volt in the questions, right? So the formula becomes what? V is equal so V into Q is equal to W, because the potential difference is given as a 12 volt and the Q is given as a 2 charges, right? Actually the formula is what? V is equal to W by Q, but it is replaced with what? W is equal to V into Q, because we don't know the energy, so means work done. So we have shifted this Q, it will be divided, is it already it is in the divided, so it will be shifted here, means it will becomes multiplicand. So now we can substitute the values. Okay, what is the formula? W is equal to V into Q, right? So potential difference is given as what? 12 volt. What is the charges? 2 coulomb of charge. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24 joules. Okay, how much energy it require to move 2 coulomb of charge with the potential difference 12 volt, means we will require 24 joules of energy is required to move 2 coulomb of charge with the potential difference 12 volt. Okay, this is about what? Simple numericals about potential difference. They will ask simple 2 marks numericals about potential difference, SI unit of potential difference, definition of potential difference, and what is 1 volt, and which instruments measures the potential difference, and how it is connected in circuit. These are the some important questions about potential difference. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.